Hello drone lovers, this is the device which I have wanted since day one it came out. Finally I have got one for me, so let's pack it out and start it up and get ready for first use. This is DJI MINI 3 Pro with Fly More kit. Okay, this is it. Here is the drone. It is ready for flying. Only I have to take some papers off. Remove before use. Let's try to do it. This is it. A lot of stickers. Intelligent battery has to be charged before first use. Okay, let's see what is going to happen. Drone batteries always has to be activated first time. Yes, it is not responding, so I have to put it to charge. Okay, let's move on. Let's put it back in a safety. And what else we have got here? Here is the RC Pro remote controller. And this has some battery in it, but still we have to get ready drone. And what is in the box? Here are screwdriver and more propellers and Type-C charging cable and some instruction guides, quick start guide and other materials. A lot of paper. Let's put it back in here. Okay, that's all what is in drone box. Let's see Fly More kit. This is the bag and empty box. So everything is in the bag. Small pocket, it is empty, and the main pocket. So what is in here? Some instruction manuals. And here comes 2 more batteries with charging dock. Also not activated yet, so we are going to do it. And there is one more Type-C cable with usual USB and more propellers, and that's all what is in these 2 small boxes. So I need to start it, so I have to put everything to charge, and I will come back to you after charging batteries.